I found the one again. I found the one again.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the Pretty Little Thing October box. Now I absolutely love these boxes. These are incredible. I am going to continue buying these boxes. I absolutely love all of them. The products are amazing and they're absolutely incredible. As always, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below for you guys. I'm going to film it a little bit different this year. I'm going to film it a little bit different now. So I hope you guys enjoy. For those of you who haven't got or haven't had the Pretty Little Thing beauty boxes and want to know how you can receive them, I will leave everything in the description box below just in case you guys are interested. But this is what the box looks like. It's in the baby pink box with the black Pretty Little Thing writing. It's hard to try to do this pretty quickly because I've got so much to do today. And then it's got like a little magnetic kind of little flap. So all you do is open it up like that, and these are the products inside. So I'm going to show you one by one of what the products look like. As you can see, there's quite a few products already in here, so let's get started. So we have soap brows by WB Co. I've never even heard of them, and I'm a bit wary about soap brows. I keep seeing them. They do look good, mind you, but I don't know whether to use them. So this is the Extra Strong Hold Brow Soap with a bamboo spoolie. Now, like I said, a load of people have been raving about soap brows. I don't know whether to actually use it or not, but yeah, this is what I got in this month's box. Then next we have this. So I haven't actually seen anything like this before. So this is called the Carbon Theory Charcoal and Tea Tree Oil for Breakout Control Facial Exfoliating Scrub. So now normally when you see scrubs, you see them like in a pot. You don't actually see them like this. So I'm a bit scared to actually use this, to be honest with you. But I do want to actually give this a go. I was actually going to give it a go this morning. I thought, no, I want to film it for you guys just in case. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And apparently it's really good from what I've been hearing about it. So let's see, shall we? Then the next product we have is this. Now I see these all over Instagram, all over Facebook. This is the Oplex number 7 bonding oil. If any of you guys have actually used the Oplex products before, please let me know how you guys found them. I've been seeing them all over Instagram and Facebook and whatever, and people have been saying they really love them. So I want to get everybody else's thoughts on this product as well. But yeah, a little bonding oil for your hair, which I cannot wait to actually try. Sorry, the camera's just gone a bit fuzzy then. Then we have, let's try this one first. Welda, sorry if I pronounce these wrong. This is the Skin Food Face Care Nourishing Cleansing Balm, and this is like a little tester of it. I don't actually use these. It depends on the product really. If I've never heard of the product before, then I tend to not go anywhere near the little testers, just in case they give me like skin reactions, because that's the last thing I need. I have a Pretty Little Thing Volume and Lift Mascara in black. So obviously it's in its own packaging, but I will get the packaging out so you guys can see at the end. But this is a little Pretty Little Thing Volume Lift and Mascara, and it's their own Pretty Little Thing mascara. They do actually put their own brand in these boxes as well, which I'm actually quite pleased about, because I've always wanted to try out Pretty Little Thing's makeup. Again, if you guys are sorry to come off this subject of this box, but I've said this last time in my last video, if you guys want to see a full video of Pretty Little Thing makeup, then please let me know. But this is the Pretty Little Thing Volume Lift and Mascara. And then I do believe we have another Pretty Little Thing. Oh no, it's not actually. It's a NYX PMU Wonder Stick highlighter in the shade medium. It's Wonder Stick. and I cannot wait to try this out. I've always wanted to try out NYX products before. So you highlight and contour and then it blends. So you've got the highlight one side and you've got the contour the other side, which I'm actually quite pleased about that. So I cannot wait to actually try that out. I'm so excited. Who would get really excited over makeup boxes? That is everything from this month's box. So this has been the October Pretty Little Thing unboxing. So these are all the products. I'd just like to show you one last time of all the products in this month's box. Again, if any of these products that you guys have used and you absolutely love them and would highly recommend them, then please let me know. That is going to end today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Like I always say, everything about Pretty Little Thing, beauty boxes or the advent calendar, etc. will be in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. I will try and leave the Pretty Little Thing advent calendar in the description box below as well. If they are sold out, then I will put sold out, but they do sell out pretty quick. So if you haven't got a beauty advent calendar yet and you still want one, I will try and leave the link in the description box below for you guys. So as always, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.